Already got the ULANZI J12 wireless lavalier microphone for the iPhone and the iPad. So let me unbox this for you and show you what you get. I'll show you what I like and what I don't like. Comes with a set of instructions for you. Inside of here you get this nice case. And it actually is a nice case. And you get a Type-C charging cable. Here's the case itself. Very nice case, kind of like you would have with your, your AirPods. It acts as a charging station. You're going to get a receiver that plugs into your iDevice. And you're going to get 2 lavalier mics that come with it. And these are nice. I cannot wait to get the Android version of it. Nice clip on there. Sturdy clip. We got a button on the side here. Turn it on and off and connect, I assume. And if you wanted to, you could actually charge these separately on the device itself. This you don't need to worry about. It's just plug and play. I do like the fact that you can put all these in the case and charge it at the same time. Here's the charging port for the case. This I'm not a fan of because you got to plug it in on the bottom. I kind of wish it was on the side so I could stand this thing upright, you know. You can see that a little light comes on to let you know that it's charging. Very nice case, very nice packaging. 2 lavalier mics and a receiver, a nice case, charging case. Pretty sharp.